What's going on, everyone? Thanks so much for tuning in for Monday's episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Now, before we get started, I hope you guys had a great weekend, and we're going to have a positive weekend, and we're going to show you just a quick tip on this beautiful brand new Nissan Altima. Now, the owner says that she was shopping, and when she came back out to her brand new car, she saw this little scuff here as well as on the door here, which could be caused by a shopping bag, could have been caused by maybe a cart. But we're going to show you how to quickly remove it because it's just a superficial little transfer here or imperfection. So to begin, we're going to use some Swift Wipe, which is one of my favorite waterless washes. Now, you guys can use your favorite quick detail sprays or you can wash the car, but I like Swift Wipe because one, it easily wipes away the light dust that you get when you're driving around, but also you don't need to dilute it, so it's really easy to use, and it's also going to leave behind a brilliant little shine because it has some sealant in there. You want to roll the towel as you work and also come back and buff off any excess. But you can see even if you tried scrubbing with the Swift Wipe, the stain is still there. It's not dust. It's actually in the clear coat. So what we're going to use is a cleaning agent. Well, it's a wax that has cleaning oils in there, which is butter wet wax. The natural cleaning oils of any kind of wax help to lift off the superficial scratches or any kind of transfer such as this today. And we're going to begin by shaking up the bottle. And we're using a blue microfiber applicator pad to help us gently scrub the surface. We don't need to polish it. This is something you can do by hand at home, even if you don't have a machine. We'll start by just blotching it out here. And the oils are what lift off the stain. And it's also going to leave behind a layer of protection. Same thing for this little imperfection up here, just gently scrub it away. This also works if you have light water spots that you just caught, or maybe a bird stain etching that you wiped away but you still see a little bit of a stain. You can use the natural cleaning oils of butter wet wax to just wipe it away, and it leaves behind that natural shine. It's also very slick, and it's going to make it harder for new things to stick in the future. But now you see it's simple to do, real quick. You can do this at home, you can do it on the go, and now you've left behind that beautiful natural look. There's no more imperfections and there's no more transfer. So guys, I know this was a really quick video, but it's Monday and your boss is probably wondering where you're at, so you got to get off the toilet and get back to work. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below for future videos, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.